Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a first impression face swatch video of the new Jeffree Star Extreme Frosts. These are absolutely stunning. I did get the bundle from Beautylish, so I saved $25 and I got all three. I'm going to be talking about the packaging, the quality of the product, how it looks on my face. I'm going to be using it all over my face, so let's just get right into it. I was so excited for these. Ever since Jeffree Star had been teasing these on his Instagram, Snapchat, and stuff like that, the shade Gag Me in particular is the shade that I was like, oh my god, I need. Each individual Extreme Frost costs $50 US, which is very expensive for a highlighter. Jeffree even said it's more of a luxury price, and that is because of the products within it. You get 8 grams of product in this, which is the same as his other Supreme Frost, which I love the Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet. That is my favorite. So I was very excited to try these. I didn't know what shade to get, and my fiance was kind enough to get me these for Christmas, so thank you, honey, so much. So this is what the outer packaging is. It is holographic and, you know, just cardboard.
Turn your face with just one swipe, rich and decadent, drenched in glitz, so blinding it hurts.
So it has a beauty tip on the back. Finger application suggested. Tap on for blinding filter finish. I'm excited. I swatched these on my arm already and oh my god, they're so good. I will link that video down below where I just do quick arm swatches and talk about them just a tiny bit. I honestly don't know what shade to use first. Wow, I can totally talk today. I hate this eye look, so we're just gonna forget it exists. My hair is bright orange, so that's fun. So we're gonna go in with Gag Me first. Gag Me is this stunning blue flip. It is gorgeous. I don't think it's very hard to capture how beautiful this looks in person. I think you need to use flash and stuff, and you really need to see it in person. On camera and stuff, it does not do it justice. I do wish these came with a mirror. So I do have some leftover highlighter on my face, which I've tried to get rid of with powder. So I'm just gonna swipe and I barely touched the product and it is so blinding. I'm just gonna take my mini controversy palette as a mirror and let's see how this goes. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. I'm gonna take a little bit more. Whoa, that is insane. I love it. Okay, I like bringing my highlighter down a lot for photos and stuff, so, and I'm just gonna be taking my makeup off after, so I'm gonna go ham with highlighter. But oh my god, yes, bitch. That is so pretty. Oh my, Jeffree did that. Yes. Okay, that is beautiful. Do you guys see that? Damn, that is gorgeous. Okay. I forgot to mention, it also comes in this faux leather box, which is really nice, but I just think it's kind of a waste. I don't really have room to put the highlighters in the boxes, but okay, that is stunning. So far, I really like Gag Me. I think next we're gonna go in with Sour Ice, which is this green yellow flip. It seems like it's the more natural of them. I think I'm gonna go with that down my nose. So I'm gonna take a different finger and I'm just gonna do oh geez, wow. So I'm gonna put this on my upper lip actually, since I'm sweating. Oh, that is stunning. Okay, and then we're gonna go, oh my god, and then on the tip of my nose because I'm a whore. Okay, that is stunning. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Wow, that is stunning. It is definitely more natural, and I am going to build it up on my nose a little bit because I can. And like I said, I'm just going to be taking this makeup off, so oh my fucking god, I'm gonna look like a fucking fairy. Like, Tinkerbell who? On my chin too, yes. Blend it into my chin, bitch. Oh my god. Okay, well, she didn't come to play. Wow. Wow. Okay, put it above my brow bone too, why not? Just put it everywhere at this point. Okay. That is stunning. I love it so much. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I love it. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. So far, I'm like, I love it, but I prefer Gag Me so far. That is gorgeous though. So this is Sour Ice. I love it. Lastly, we have the shade Lick My Glit, which, can we talk about that name? Like, we stan. I've been getting hate comments from this one person, and they keep, like, they just call me fat, and they call me all these things, and I'm like, why are you here? Why do you keep coming back? Like, literally every 2 weeks, they'll, like, rant about me and do hate comments, and I'm like, if you don't like my content, why are you still watching? Like, thanks for the view, I guess. Teresa is Dead has helped me, like, not care about hate comments as much. Like, she really made it so that I'm just like, whatever, dude, you do you. If you don't like my comment, don't watch, and if you keep watching and leaving hate comments, I mean, thanks for the view. But yeah, the shade Lick My Glit is this beautiful, like, pink flip. Oh my god, it is stunning. This is the one I'm worried about having a really bad dark cast, so we shall see. So I'm gonna take my ring finger and I'm just gonna do like a 1, 2. Holy, that is stunning. Oh, I'm excited for that one. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm gonna do it on this cheek, which this is not my favorite side of my face, so I think I just got some in my hair. Okay, we're just gonna tap and blend, tap and blend. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Holy fuck. Wow. I'll bring it down a bit too. Lick My Glit is gorgeous. It's just like a really gorgeous pink flip. I really like it. Like, especially when I get my pink hair. Oh my god, that's gonna be gorgeous. I like it a lot. I think Gag Me is still my favorite though, but this is so beautiful. Don't worry, I'll be doing close-ups and everything as well, like using flash in the dark, etc. All that sort of fun stuff. Okay, Lick My Glit is awesome. Now that I've applied them all, let's talk about them. There's 3, right? So my favorite of the 3 is definitely Gag Me, the blue tone. I just prefer this one, and this is the one I've been wanting for months. So this is my favorite. I just prefer the blue tones, and I think it's super bright all by itself. Lick My Glit is definitely my second favorite. I love these like pink intense tones, so I definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of this one because I just love pink, like, and it has a little bit of like a purple in it. It's really pretty. I think that Sour Ice is the most subtle of them all. Like, it's not super green, so you're not like super alien. I think it's definitely more subdued. That being said, it's just as glittery. Like, if you don't like glitter, you are not gonna like these. These are glittery, these are intense. Like, I'm a girl, I want an intense highlighter. I don't want to build up for 10 years. I want intensity. I don't like a soft highlight. I like bam in your face, glowing to the gods sort of thing. So these are perfect for that, and you only need so little product that I think you'll be able to have these for like ever. Jeffree even said that you'll probably never need to buy a new one, and I totally agree. These are currently sold out, but he will be restocking in 2012. 2012. No, we're not all the way back there. He will be restocking in 2020. Can't believe we're almost in 2020. That's crazy. Oh, I feel so old. My memory is so bad I can't even remember my age. I think I'm 21 and I'll be turning 22 in January. I'm a mess right now. I've been filming all day. I haven't had lunch. My fibromyalgia is like meh. I'm also taking a new medication to help my illness, so I'm a little out of it. What else do I need to say? Price-wise, yes, it is expensive, but he used special ingredients and stuff, and he made it as cheap as possible. Like, Jeffree's rich. If he could make it cheaper, he would. Like, I'm not... Like, I think the price is fine. I think it's something where I don't think you need, like, every shade. Like, I think that he'll come out with more shades, and if you see a shade that you like, I'd say get it, because you can just save up for it. And I think that if it lasts so long and you only need so little product, I think it's worth it. And it's like instant blinding, you know? I do want to try it with a brush. This is like the Real Techniques contour brush. This is what I use for highlighter all the time. So I'm just gonna take like my brush and I just want to see like how, oh, it like chunks off. Yeah, I think that you'll definitely need to be using your fingers for this, and that sort of sucks. Like, I'm not a person who wants to use my fingers for product, especially highlighters, but that being said, I will if it's worth it, and so far this is worth it. I want to, like, okay, we're just gonna, that just adds so much more intensity. I love it. And you know what, I'm just gonna add some to the nose, to there, up there we go. I'm glowing to the gods and I love it. Overall, I do think that these are worth the price. I think that they're intense, and if you love an intense highlighter like moi, I think that these are great. I love them. I don't think there's anything else I can say other than I really, really like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.